Hi, my name is Layani Calloway and I'm from Palm Beach, Florida. What interests me in the dental field is I've always taken really good care of my oral hygiene, so I just wanted to learn more of really what's into it and the nitty-gritty of things. I heard about Dentrilogy Academy through a friend of a friend. They actually gave me the flyer and thought that I would be a good candidate for the schooling and the field of dental assisting. I definitely do believe the course has showed me the ropes and basics of the dental assisting career. The teachers have definitely tried their hardest in showing everything and instruments and different procedures and such of the course. So I was proposed the job, I want to say week 5 of the course, and accepted it in week 5, and I started this week of week 7. So this was my first week of working as a real dental assistant in a dental office. I'll definitely say my favorite thing about being with Dentrilogy Academy has really been my classmates and the teachers. Everyone is so welcoming and we all laugh and get along very well. Class does go really smoothly with the people that I have class with, and everyone's just so fun and enjoyable to be around. The advice I would give somebody is make sure that you're passionate about it and that it is something that you really want to do, because it is something that you have to put full focus into. I wouldn't just be like, oh yeah, it looks like it's cool to do and go into it. No, I would definitely make sure that you have a passion for it, because there is a lot of things that you do have to memorize.